Why does the person who used to text you first now take a day to reply? Why does the seat that used to be yours now belong to someone else? Why do you feel like you're slowly getting phased out of your own life? You're not paranoid. You're seeing something real. A man named Friedrich Nietzsche figured out something about human attachment most people never catch in time. We don't replace people all at once. We replace them in tiny, quiet steps. Until one day they're just gone. Stick around till the end. Sign number 7 is already happening to you right now, and you haven't even noticed. Here's the first one. Watch how they listen to you now. Their eyes used to stay on you. Now they drift to a phone, a door, somewhere else completely. Think about it. Attention is the rarest thing a person can give you. It's like spending power. And when someone stops spending it on you, they haven't run out. They've just decided to spend it on someone else. It's brutal, but it's human. But losing someone's attention is the easy part to notice. The next one is sneakier. Here's the crazy part about comparisons. They never feel like an attack until you realize what they actually are. You remind me of someone. They handle this so much better than you. Said casually, like it's nothing. It's not nothing. Comparing you to someone else is a quiet weapon. It doesn't come at you directly. It just measures you over and over until you start measuring yourself the same way. And here's where most people get it wrong. They think they're being told to step up their game. They're actually being told they're already being replaced. That one stings, but the next one is even quieter because it doesn't even need words. Notice what stops happening around you. The invite that used to come automatically now needs you to ask for it. The plan you used to be part of without even trying now happens, and you only hear about it after. This kind of disappearing act is more dangerous than a fight, because there's no fight to have, no wound you can point to. Just a slow fade, with nobody to blame. You can't argue with an empty chair. And once you start noticing the empty chairs, the next sign gets impossible to ignore. Here's the part that actually hurts. The thing that made you valuable, your humor, your advice, the way you show up in a crisis, starts showing up somewhere else. In someone else. Imagine this. Most people don't actually want you specifically. They want what you give them. And the second they find that somewhere else, you stop being necessary. That's not betrayal in the way you think of betrayal. That's a swap. So if the role gets copied, what happens to the praise that used to come with it? That's next. Listen to where the compliments go now. The praise that used to land on you lands on somebody else now. Lines you've heard about yourself before, recycled, redirected, handed to a new person. Here's the crazy part. Admiration always needs somewhere to go. Lose your spot, and it doesn't vanish. It just finds a new person to land on. If your praise has a new owner, what do you think happens to your access? You already know. Then the explanations start disappearing. Where they've been, who they were with. It used to come naturally, without asking. Now you have to dig for it, and the answers get shorter every time. That changes everything once you notice it. People don't usually hide because they did something wrong. They hide because they're protecting a choice they already made. And once someone starts hiding their choices from you, here's the sign that actually proves it's already too late. This is the one nobody warns you about. You're not replaced emotionally first.
Thank you for watching this
You're
video
replaced
until it is
functionally.
finished.
The advice you used to give, someone else gives now. The comfort you used to provide, someone else provides now. By the time you feel forgotten, the position already got filled months ago. If you've ever grieved someone who's still standing right in front of you, this is exactly why. So now you know all 7. Here's how you protect yourself. Stop auditioning for a role you already had. If you have to fight to be included, you already got your answer. Watch what people do, not what they say. I've just been busy, explains one delay. It doesn't explain a pattern. Let silence answer the question you're scared to ask. People who still want you close don't make you guess. Don't compete with whoever replaced you. Competing just proves you think the spot was worth keeping. And take whatever you were giving them and give it back to yourself first. Weak minds chase the people who are already leaving. Strong minds notice early and walk away on their own terms. So tell me, which sign already happened to you? Type the number 1 through 7 in the comments. I read every single one, and if you want to catch these signs before they finish playing out on you again, subscribe right now. Because somewhere in your life, right now, sign 1 has already started.